Welcome to the video. Let's start by introducing ourselves. My name is Youngwoo Kim and I am a 7th grader. I was born in South Korea and now I live in Texas. I love playing baseball and violin. Now Ju is going to introduce herself.
Hi everyone, as you probably know already, my name is Jiwoo Kim and I'm in 6th grade. A fact about me is that I like reading and my favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. I moved from South Korea to the United States when I was at a young age and here I am now.
Great, now let's get started. We're going to learn the Korean phonics. Let's start with the consonants because we always have consonants first when we need to write a word. The yellow column is the Korean consonants, and the white column shows the corresponding sounds. I know there are many consonants, but no worries. Today we'll look at them all briefly, step by step. So as you can see, this symbol, you pronounce it by the letter G, G.
G.
This is the letter N, N.
N.
This would be D.
T.
This one is kind of special because it's like two letters combined kind of in English because the letters aren't the same exactly. This one would be L.
L.
This one would be M.
M.
This one would be B.
P.
This one would be S.
S.
And this one is also very special because this one has no sound. It fills it up when no consonants can be in there. Or it can also be the sound N. Ng. That's what it is. This or ng. Yeah. Nung, yeah. This one is just like this case. Two letters combined. Ch.
Ch.
This one would be ch
Ch.
and k.
K.
This one would be t and p.
P.
Lastly, h.
H.
There are more vowels, but we're gonna start with the simple ones first, and later we'll go on to a little bit more difficult ones. Now let's practice the Korean consonants. So I'm going to scroll down and here it is. B as in bed. B.
B.
D as in door.
D.
G as in gun.
K.
H as in hat.
H.
J as in jug.
Ch.
L as in ladder.
L.
M as in male.
M.
N as in northeast.
N.
S as in seashell.
S.
Okay then. Now we're going to learn the Korean vowels. In English, some words start with the vowel such as apple. However, it does not happen in Korean language. In Korean, all words start with consonants. So here is E.
E.
This one is A as in box.
A.
This one is Ya.
Ya.
So these blue boxes, you probably wondered what they were. And as you can see, there's one line and then two lines, and then this one's also one line, two lines, one line, two lines, and same with this column. The reason is that's why we put these boxes around to indicate that it's like that. And when you add a line here, you just have to add the letter Y in front of it. This one would be
O,
and this one would be ya because we add a line in it.
여,
This one would be
에,
and ye.
예,
으.
으,
These are o and yo as in pairs.
오, 요,
These are also pairs, u and you.
우, 유,
And lastly, the last pair is e and ye.
에, 예.
Just don't get confused with these because these two are very similar. Like the consonants, there are more vowels, but for now we'll go on with the easy ones and later we'll go deep into it more.
Now that we have learned the Korean phonics, let's use them to write your name in Korean. Unlike English, in Korean, next or below the consonant, there is a vowel. Sometimes underneath the two combination, there is one or two consonants. For example, we can put the consonant k next to the vowel and form the letter k. To write your name, count the amount of syllables in your name. That decides how many letters there's going to be. Say your name out loud and find the corresponding sound. Remember that the consonant always comes first and that they're always there. But there's some cases this strategy won't work though. If you're not sure what this means, don't worry, we're here to help you. Let's go over a few examples. This name is pronounced 소은. The first part of the name is shown in the yellow text boxes. The consonant s is added with o, which sounds like so. The green text boxes show the second part of this name. Similarly, the consonant that is shaped like a circle comes first, below it then n to show the n. The name sounds like 소은. Here's another example. This word is pronounced 예빈. The first part of the word is 예. If you look at the red text box at the vowel section, you might think there's no need for a consonant, but in a previous slide, I told you guys that in Korean there's always a consonant. When you think you don't need a consonant, you add in the one that looks like a O, the silent one. The second part of this name starts with the consonant P. It is pronounced pin, so we look for the vowel E, and below it, the consonant N.
You'll be practice writing your name in Korean. You can also use the web translator with the link provided. In the English box, write your name. On the right side, you'll see the name translated into Korean. Copy your Korean name down and practice writing your name on a grid paper. So here's an example. Let's go to that link right here. So we'll think of any name. Let's see, what name is there? Could be David. And this will be the Korean way to write the word David. Let's look at another example like I can't do the name.
How about John?
John. Yes. John.
If you see here, the beginning of this name is the J, so we use the consonant ch, and then with the o, and then at the bottom of the Korean name and at the end of the English name, n.
So yeah, you get the point of what we're saying. So let's continue with our slides. So this is going to be an announcement for next week. We're going to go through the members of BTS member names in English and Korean by the knowledge we learned today. Well, that was the end of today. I hope you enjoyed. Enjoy the night of your rest of the day.